Hi, welcome to Drone Tech and thanks for stopping by to my new channel. Hi, welcome to the channel, welcome to Drone Tech, thanks for stopping by, and today we are going to look at this little hidden feature on the DJI Fly App, DJI Fly App if you like, which I don't think anybody's ever actually seen before or showcased. And we're going to put the drone up, we're going to fly it around in a couple of circles or squares, and then I'll show you on the DJI map how that then tracks it like sort of Google Maps if you like, so you can go back and see what your flight was like. So let's get this up in the air and let's see what happens. So let's get going. This is going to be a first for me. I've never done a hand launch, so let's see how that actually works, if it works at all. So this could be kind of a do or die. So we're going to press on the screen that we want to launch. We're going to try and balance everything. That's it. Going to hold the drone up, press takeoff, and then hopefully, wow, that was super easy. I've seen it done a lot. I was a little bit worried, but that was really easy. So let's get flying and let's see what happens. I'll come back later. So here we are on the DJI Fly app, and this is how you get to this little secret area which I don't think anybody else on YouTube has really sort of spoken about or showcased. So let's get to it and let me show you what I'm talking about. So once you open the DJI Fly app, if you go to profile, and then you'll see your details there. On the left hand side you've got your profile and the more. If you press the more button, that'll bring up your flight data center. So this records all your flights, so your distance, your flight time, how many flights, and then you can go into each individual one and break it down. And what the really good thing is, if you click on this map here, you'll see, if I just press pause there, the actual map showing where you flew. As you can see, you've got the home point. Once that's been done, you can see where you are, where you're standing with the controller, and you can see where the drone is as well. And then it shows you the flight path in blue of the drone and where you have flown that day. On the bottom left you can see it's got the height and the distance that you've flown, and then you can literally just press play and watch basically how you flew that drone and where you flew it to. You can speed it up one time to up to I think 8 times as well. So I'll press play there and we'll just speed that up to 8 times. As you can see, I'm just taken off there, so it's updated the home point, and then the drone will basically just start flying, and then we can just zoom in there. As you can see, yeah, it's going back and forth there. I did a little test sort of doing a square with the drone, which is I find quite handy being a new drone pilot, is actually just learning the controls and learning how to fly it. As you can see, I go around that square because getting your head around the left and the right controls and what they do when you're up in the air can actually be quite a difficult thing. It sounds pretty simple, but for me it's, you know, getting my head around it. So that's a really good easy way. Testing out obviously all the action shots as well, so we're doing a circle there, and then you can see I went a little bit further away up to the church to get some footage of the church, and then the other way just to get some footage of all the housing basically in the distance as well. So it's a great little feature, something you can just have a look at after your flight to see where you've been, what you've done, look at all the warnings, and study basically that flight. To me, I like that side of thing. I like Strava, I like diving into the data. So for me, this is really, really cool. Hope you like it, hope you use it, and hope it's brought something a little bit new to you, whether you're new or experienced to the DJI experience. I always seem to struggle to say that, but there you go. Enjoy it. Hope to see you on the next video, and happy and safe drone flying, everybody.